Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat Sport, equipped with the 502A package as well as the FX4 package. On the front end of the vehicle we have our full LED headlights as well as our LED fog lights. Under the hood sits a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine that produces 375 horsepower and 470 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are aftermarket color match fender flares as well as a 4-inch lift kit and 20-inch fuel wheels with 35-inch tires. This F-150 is also equipped with heated power folding mirrors with blind spot alert and keyless entry, as well as power running boards. Moving to the back of the vehicle we have our park assist sensors as well as our power tailgate and trailer hitch receiver. This F-150 has a towing capacity up to 10,700 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our automatic headlight controls with automatic high beams. This F-150 is also equipped with a panoramic sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as OEM all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is push-button start, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped with upper or dual zone climate controls, and on the vehicle's key fob we have remote start and entry buttons. And finally moving to the back of the vehicle we have our heated 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.